What's up guys, I'm Alex Mediola. Welcome to the shop. We got a special project today. This is my neighbor Kyle.
Hello, nice to meet you guys.
Kyle wants some speakers, but just not any speakers. We're gonna make DML panel speakers, which basically uses this foam with these tiny little actuators that cost like 10 bucks and make amazing loudspeakers. I first saw this idea from Tech Ingredients. You can check out their videos right up here. So we're gonna get started on that. We'll take you through the whole build, and then we'll do some sound tests, see how they sound. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so we got a bunch of the sanding done. Super fun, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
So what we need to do for one of these boards is cut the corners off with the radius here. Again, check out that Tech Ingredients video for all the details. But what we need to do is figure out an 8-inch radius here. So we're gonna have a string 4 inches long, and we're gonna draw it on a piece of cardboard and then trace it on here. And we'll cut it off with a razor knife. And then you can sand the rest of it. So we'll be good to go.
Yeah.
All right. Alright, let's take off our mask, Kyle, so we can address the camera properly. Alright, adventures in sanding. We're covered in purple dust, which is so fun, and we're going to clean up a little bit, and we're going to go inside and actually seal these up with a mix of glue, water, and ink. Alright, let's do it. Cool. Let's give that a try. We're just discussing the orientation of these speakers because we've got them all painted now. Took a few coats, but it's all dried, and I think we're ready to install the pins. Grab one of those and show it to the camera. So we're actually going to drill a hole in the top of this and epoxy them in, and that way we can hang them up. And while that epoxy is drying, we'll work on the wires, test the speakers, and actually attach the speakers where they need to be on these panels, and then we'll be all done.
Sounds good.
All right, cool. So they're working.
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna actually permanently attach these guys.
Okay.
And just to save my desk, we're gonna do that on top of this guy. The best way to do this is just to learn it is to just try it. So give it a try. Yours looks way better than mine. Beginner's luck. I'm gonna say that it's beginner's luck and it has nothing to do with me. It's all your fault. But that's just so I say face on camera so it looks like I did something. I didn't do anything. Down here, thumbs up down here. Speakers soldered, they work. We got them connected to our speaker wires. All that's left is to mount them to the back of the panels. According to Tech Ingredients, the guy that did the original video, remember, go check it out, hopefully up there somewhere, said that the best thing you can do is mount one dead center and then 1 3/5 from one side and 2/5 from the other side. So for 24 inches by 24 inches, what's 3/5 of 24? I don't know, I have to use math. And for that, I use a calculator. So, 24 times 3 divided by 5 is 14.5 inches. So put your finger there, right there, good. And then, so that's 2/5, or did I do 3/5? Let me see here, 24 times, that was 3/5, so not 2/5, 2 divided by 5. It's 9.6 inches. So you are like exactly where we need to put it. Now, we're going to do 5 minutes. As long as I hold it here for 5 minutes, it's going to be nice and set. In fact, it's probably going to set, like I can take my hand off it because there's already sticky stuff on it, adhesive on it. But that epoxy should just harden so it's not going to remove ever. Up, right? So the back side. That's the back side? The moment of truth, right? We have not yet played any music on these, right?
Yep.
Keep me honest.
Yep.
We haven't played any music on it, so I don't know if this is gonna work. But let's see how we do here. So I'm playing it. We're just gonna play these speakers first to see what they sound like, and then we're gonna add in the subwoofer. So we turn this knob toward me until we hear it playing. There's a little click on it. What do you think?
It's good. It's working.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They sound pretty good? Alright, so now, this one, the middle one, start turning that up. Nice and slow. Yeah?
Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I really like them. They're not too hard to make, but they're definitely you put in a little time, you can definitely make these yourself, and I definitely want to do something like this again.
Yeah? So maybe caught the bug a little bit. Maybe you want to do some more builds.
Maybe like a different type of speaker.
Yeah. One note is we did discover when Kyle tried to connect to this amp with his iPhone, it asked for a pin. It didn't ask for a pin when I used my Android phone. So what's the pin?
The pin was 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. Nice.
All right. Simple. Exactly. So if you do get this amp and you have an iPhone, remember it's 4 zeros for the pin. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can use the other button too. I hope this video earned your subscription, so if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified the next time a video drops, hit the bell icon. We really want to know what you think, so please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm Alex.
And I'm Kyle.
And catch us in the next one.